There you go. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So we're currently in the beautiful 2024 Dark Horse. We got to get some gas real quick before we get on this road trip journey. But we're actually going to be heading out to LA, which is insane because this is going to be like the 5th time this car has gone to LA, and it's actually to get some more parts. Stopping off on that 91, so we are going to be good to go. So this gas station actually gives you 8 cents back per gallon, so we're actually paying that. So now we're all done. So simple as that. You literally just claim the code, you get the gas. After you get the gas, you just go ahead and say you paid and you're good to go. And you go ahead and see there's different offers for some different things. However, I literally just cashed out not too long ago and we're already back at $27 back. And I got an Amazon card so that way I could just buy some stuff that I needed. Obviously, I get a lot of gas. So if you're getting a lot of gas, you definitely should get the FSI app. So this is actually my promo code here. We both get $5 if you actually use it. With that being said, this isn't sponsored or anything like that, but it is super clutch. That's why I'm just letting you guys know.
We got 2 bags of beef jerky. We got 3 Mountain Dews, regular, Code Red. What's it? Voltage?
So we got the snacks ready to go. They did actually have a decent sale at the gas station, so I'm actually pretty happy. So we got pretty much all of that in there for $40, which is low-key really low for nowadays. So that being said, we're well equipped. We got our gas, we got the snacks. We're gonna go ahead and smash on there. We got the radar detector. We got the sensors fixed on this car, so now we're well over the 80 miles an hour that we had to deal with BS. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and try to jam out there. So unfortunately, there was a tire that popped in front of us that was actually a semi. Now luckily I stopped ahead of time, so nothing happened, except I actually got out of the car to move it and I messed up. So because of how big the tire actually was, when I picked it up, it did wrap around my leg, and when I threw it, it pretty much just slit me up. So like I said, luckily it happened literally right in front of us and we didn't actually hit anything. We literally saw it explode. But that part right there sucks, but it is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and get in the car. I know she's getting some water real quick and we'll be back on the journey. Man, I wish there were all these cars. Sheesh. That was with the exhaust closed too. I'll try to get over here this next one. Not bad for stock though, seriously. I can't wait to get an exhaust on this thing at some point. So we just got to the location out here in LA. We're actually low on gas, but luckily thanks to Upside, we have that 12 cents per gallon back. So I'm gonna go ahead and definitely use that. Obviously, again, whenever you just get some money back, of course, it literally costs you nothing to just have the app and just pretty much hit that claim button. And we're pretty much good to go ahead and start filling up. All right, so after 4 hours later and 2 fill-ups, we are arriving to the location. I'm assuming it's gonna be right here. Hey, how's it going? Yeah.
Eric.
Jake, man. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
This thing's beautiful, man. This thing's clean. Got all the carbon on it. We're actually here. About to get some installed for the Dark Horse. All right, so we're actually at the location. The Dark Horse is already on the lift. They already pulled out the GT right here, which has all the available carbon fiber for the GT versions, as well as some that work with the Dark Horse versions as well. So they definitely have more products for the GTs, but this is one of the products right here. You got this one right here, as well as this piece right there. So those two right now are specifically for the GTs. This is how the lights look, and then the diffuser. So the diffuser is also for the GTs. It's not out yet. They also have the gurney flap right here for the performance packs. So they're actually gonna go ahead and scan my Dark Horse for the gurney flap to see if they can get one for the Dark Horse edition. That's nice.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I added some scrape protection for you.
Oh snap!
Yeah, just
definitely need that.
That's great. Do content or something?
Yeah, a little bit. What's up, bro? Jake.
Jake?
Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
So go ahead and see the full carbon all the way around, and then we have the brand right here, as well as these are going to be on the taillights on the back, and these are actually the fender flares right here.
Everything we design is, you know, supposed to match like perfectly to the OEM body. Like it's not complete flat, like it's got a curvature. So we'll need to like put tape on here as well.
Okay.
To keep it on really good, but yeah, it's not flat. So
It's pretty
And
thick.
it has an angle too. Yeah, it's two surfaces, top and then the bottom, and then it's joined together later in the production process.
Okay.
So it's like a multiple piece actually. So it's unlike our splitter, we made this simple single layer, so that it actually will flex a little bit if you scrape it.
It doesn't explode as soon as you hit something.
Yeah, some of the other ones they might do that, but we do not.
So you're gonna try to put the side skirts on?
Oh damn.
I'm done, by the way.
Awesome, man. Jacob.
Jacob, nice to meet you.
I appreciate you too, man. That's so cool. The scanning process. Damn, that's crazy. So after it's scanned, what's the next process?
I'll clean it up a little bit.
Huge difference right there. You definitely see that coming over to this side. So the vertical doors definitely helps in this situation because we got to move the steering wheel, but this is definitely working out. Lip and the fender flares are all attached here, ready to go. The RTR is going to get removed right now, and whatever means possible.
Nice.
So literally we got the twins right there. Y'all been hating, but I don't know, man. Lamborghini be doing the same thing here. Oh, that looks good. That's... So we definitely are going to have to mess with the camera a little bit in the front just because it looks a lot more tucked in now. But this thing looks so damn good, I ain't going to lie. We also got the back over here as well. So now we got the carbon all the way across. Again, coming over to the GT. You GT people are lucky because they actually are going to be coming out with the diffuser. Again, the diffuser over here is different, so unfortunately we're not going to be getting one. However, you GT people are going to be able to get that. So making do with the air system that we have back here, obviously we have a beautiful trunk setup. So in order to slide this in, pretty much had to go down straight down the middle. And this is how it's going to go ahead and look on the way back. Not too bad. Hopefully I could just maneuver it a little bit. It's honestly, yeah, it's pretty damn near the same. Yeah. It's literally the same.
Because it's all loaded.
This one, 500.
500.
Yeah.
It's the last one.
This is a new one, yeah. This is the 2024.
What's the color? That's like a blue or?
It's a special color, so it has like the blue, purple, bronze.
Like, yeah. Brown, blue, black. Sur la dernière Mustang en dark horse. Bon ben, ça fait de la plaisir de voir.
So we're actually out here at Santa Monica Pier. We just got done grubbing, and I'm just out here taking a look at all the carbon fiber. Again, super happy on how everything came out. Now we do have a 3.5 hour drive back, which you guys know my luck, so hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes well and all this carbon actually makes it home. They did actually do all the installation themselves, so again, I trust their work. I'm very happy with how everything turned out, and I'm sure everything's gonna be secured. However, doesn't matter on how secure you make it. If you see something on the road and you don't get out of the way in time, things can just happen. And with that being said, a huge thank you to all of them for making this happen. This car looks so damn good with everything on it now. So I'm very happy how this lip actually goes around with the bumper, and it really matches what the OEM is, as well as with the fender flares here. So you actually would have got the fender flare option if you would got the handling package. However, we did not get the handling package because we knew we were just gonna bag it anyways. So this carbon fiber flare definitely adds a lot of taste to it, as well as this beautiful side skirt extension over here. And as you guys saw, we did have to get rid of the RTR because it was not going to work with it. Also, even if it did work with it, I wouldn't have done it just because look how low it is already. This adds like an extra 2+ inches. So looking in the trunk, we're actually going to go ahead and see that we have the RTR side skirts because they are going to be up for sale. Again, I have no need for them anymore. So in my opinion, this is definitely one of the better routes to go with when it comes to these new 2024 Mustangs. Again, they're honestly on the game right now. They are producing a lot of carbon for these 2024s, so definitely go ahead and pick up yourself some. I believe there's actually only a handful of dark horses that actually have the carbon options on here now, so super stoked that I'm one of those. And they did actually scan the spoiler for the dark horse, so they may be coming out with the gurney flap. Do not hold me to that. They just scanned it just in case. They may be thinking about doing something along those lines. However, right now they're actually working on a full carbon fiber replacement for the rear there, so we'll go ahead and definitely see how that turns out. So before it gets too late, we're actually going to go ahead and jump back on the road because we do have that drive. So again, if you're not yet subscribed, definitely consider subscribing. It would help out a lot, and I'm super happy that we're bringing this 2024 content, especially on these dark horses, because dark horses ain't getting enough love, honestly. So this is actually the third fill up. So we had one before we left, one while we were over there, and now one midway back. And this should get us home. However, this one actually has another offer here at the 76. So super clutch, like I said. Honestly, a lot of gas stations are getting added all the time, so it definitely is really convenient. And like I said, if you're gonna go ahead and download it, again, not sponsored, but you do get $5 as well as I get $5. So I highly recommend you guys get it. Again, if you do get it, definitely use my code. Not sponsored, like I said, but you do win, I win, everybody kind of wins in that situation.